Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're here with me in Slikhaar studio with René and Nikolaj, and today we're doing a hairstyle inspired by Tommy Fury, the fighter. Are you guys up for it?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, this is the inspiration picture.
Similar, but my hair would be longer.
Yeah, so not so much off on the top,
No.
but short on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you doing anything this weekend?
Yeah, actually I'm working at the daytimes and going to birthdays and family birthday tomorrow night.
You're gonna be fresh on the haircut.
Yeah, that was the plan.
Yeah. I hope I can live up to your expectations.
I hope that too. But I think you can do it.
Thank you. Sidekick Prestyler, and it's like a salt water for the hair. And I use like 8 to 12 pumps. I'm gonna use the silver box to get a little bit of shine in the hair today. That's the look I'm going for.
This was the Tommy Fury hairstyle. Nikolaj, how do you like it?
I think it looks nice. We kept the length. I like
I
that.
think it looks amazing. Great job, René.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time. Welcome to SlikhaarTV Breaking News. I'm Emil and this is my identical twin brother Rasmus. We have some very exciting news. Can you guess it? Well, we just hit 200,000 subscribers. We're very grateful to have your support. It helps us a lot, and share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter.